legend already, I don't care what you think. And you can lose first place in the blink. I know what you're thinking, he's gonna be leaking. No, I'm a survivor, the last Mohicans. Rappers bore me, catch me posted on the corner like Hori, or dancing on a show like Maurice.
Alright, welcome to day 2's video. The next thing that I recommend that you do is find your why. Whew, yeah. Find why you're becoming an investor. There has to be a why. You can't just say, hey, I want to make a lot of money. That can't be your why. In fact, if that is your why, I would recommend that you wait some time and maybe come back to day 2's video and figure out or come back with more to bring to the table. And I say that because if making money is your why, the moment you don't make money, you're going to quit. So I would say dig a little bit deeper than that. Even if it's financial freedom, because to me, financial freedom is more in depth than I want to make a lot of money and make it rain in the club. So if your journey is financial freedom, then perhaps even on those days that you have some downfalls or some bad days, you'll get back up and keep fighting, because anybody who's fighting for freedom understands that this is not a one-day turnover. This is going to be something that I'll have to fight for a continued, moment of time. So yes, find your why. Why are you becoming a trader? That is my second piece of advice.
I'm a legend already, I don't care what you think. And you can lose first place in the blink. I know what you're thinking, he's gonna be